So we're going to install Alejandro's AWE track exhaust. We'll get to the unboxing right now, I guess. How you know that's not stainless, motherfucker? What you a metal expert?
This looks illuminate. This is not 3. This doesn't look like 3 inches. Illuminized. No, it's 3 inches from there, and then it separates.
Ooh. Yo, where's your piece though?
That's the razor where the APR. Yeah.
Fancy Nancy. Just the tip.
You want to tell them what this is? Bam, bam, bam.
This is going to be the adapter piece that we got to cut down to make the APR downpipe work with the AWE catback.
Cornudes.
Yo, that's definitely not 3 inch, dude. That's fucking 3 inch.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. This is not 3 inch. I thought it was gonna be 3 inch all the way to the back.
There's a 3 inch resonator.
There you go. Awesome. That's
on the GTI.
Hey, Junior. It's gonna be off.
No, man. Back up. Back up.
Alright, you good?
Ow, my foot.
I'm trying to get as fast as this guy right here. So he's trying to make me order something for some label he hasn't done yet. Hey man, I have to get paid for us to do the labor.
That's brown people, man. Not some white people shit.
Right now. Ahora.
What? Wanna adjust the what? I'm gonna pull the exhaust.
Action!
But that holy shit scared me.
1, 2, 3. Action!
Oh my fucking nose!
Fucking nose!
Anyways, we're about to pull the exhaust hangers off. You alright?
I'm good.
Shit.
You guys are I'm tired, man.
Gang, gang. We're gonna pull the exhaust hangers off. Take these off.
You said that like fucking 20 times already.
This shit keeps happening.
Y'all get the idea.
Alright. Can't wait till the internet says something about me laying under here while the car's being jacked up.
What, this is the fucked up one?
Yeah, man, just get the gray one, man.
The gray one's faster.
It goes higher.
This shit would have been bumped up already.
Made up in the air.
Ah! Lift it up!
Alright, watch your legs.
Fuck your legs.
Foot. What the fuck is underneath this
What about if we go to it, we don't take your car? Can you do that?
What?
Fix it.
So what happened was... Alright, pull it towards you. And that pushes. I can't believe that was that hard. Ooh, that's a big bitch.
Oh shit.
Alright.
Even though these are flat, but whoo, that bitch went in like butter. That's what I thought. You can hold that for right now. Just keep it where we know where it's at.
Action!
I'm firing that fucking director. Always yelling at people.
Here's your pipe, sir.
I thought that pipe was next. That pipe's next.
I'm passing you the... I'm ahead of time, alright? My bad.
Yeah.
This was scene 5. Here you go,
Take
sir.
56.
How much do you want for half the exhaust?
Actually, give me the resonator part first.
Alright.
No, right here. God damn it.
Why you didn't wet that one?
Because it's a different style one. It's soft. It's just that I'm at a weird angle.
Oh yeah.
What the fuck is wrong with you idiots? Oh my god, my face. Throw that in there. Lift it up some. Alright, let me get that that straight piece of pipe.
Hey, don't tell me what to do.
It's too late, I already did. See, Ali, this is why we gotta trim it. This is universal, so it'll fit a bunch of kits. It's gotta go right here.
Alright, Ali's head has been...
Oh shit.
Don't be an asshole.
Hey, I'm not your asshole, friend.
I'm not your friend, asshole.
I'm not your guy, friend.
Plug that shit in. Plug that shit in.
So we're gonna cut the, was it mid pipe?
It's an adapter piece.
Adapter piece.
Alright, I guess this is. Fucking.
I'm gonna do a circumcision on Ollie.
I feel like he's about to lose a finger. Just put it on the ground for right now. And put your foot on it. We just gotta get it started.
Boom! Don't try this at home, kids.
Don't try this at home.
Or do, but don't say you heard it here.
Make sure you subscribe to the channel.
Alright, let's see.
You're talking shit right now, dog.
Yeah, I'm talking shit right now.
I think
I'm
it's
a
gonna
dog
be
truck.
louder, actually.
Huh?
I think Richard will be louder now.
Louder?
He's not gonna have anything. He's like open downpipe.
Soon.
Alright, get your tips lined up where you want them. Put the clamps on loosely. But put them in a good way that we can tighten them when they're on. Don't put them down like that.
Huh?
Don't put the clamps down like that. You'll see them. fixing the tips at all?
Yeah. Yeah, a little bit.
So can you see if there's any adjustment you can make? It doesn't look like the pipes are wide enough. So Richard, tell him real quick that we got the wrong wide pipe. Technically we got the wrong full exhaust because we don't know if that's the only difference. So when we picked up the... Hey, shut your ass up for a second. No phone calls at work, sir. So anyways, when we picked up this track exhaust, the part number ends in 4.2 that we need, and the part number on this box ended in 2.2. So I don't think this Y pipe is wide enough to fit the Mark 7.5 valence. So right now it's touching. I don't know if it'll melt it or not, but we're just gonna roll with this till we get the right Y pipe in. So because this Y pipe is not right, you can see this tip is sticking out really far. This tip is not. And they're both touching the valence right here. So I just texted the dude at NGP, Benji, and we'll see what he says. If they can get a new one in, just rock this for a little while, or we'll see whatever he decides. But here's the first startup. Sounds good though. Yeah.
Might be a little bit louder than me. I gotta give it to him.
Alright, he's coming back.
I gotta say he has a deeper tone.
You're just safer now.
Yeah.